Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Douglasville, Smyrna, Powder Springs, Austell, Hiram, Lithia Springs, Fair Oaks, Sweetwater Creek State Park, Brownsville, Jim R. Miller Park, Six Flags Over Georgia, and Mableton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.